Boom. So guys, this is another video. Today we're gonna be doing the side markers on my car, and we're also gonna be doing a chrome delete. It's gonna go all the way around here, right here, all the way to the back, and then we're also doing the chrome delete down here. Yeah, so we switching the side markers into these smoked looking ones. Look at them. They should look more cleaner. Let's see my tool at. The thing about one of them though is that it's actually scraped from here. So I got hit on the side because people were not paying attention. I did not have it clipped on because I was struggling on freaking putting the other one from the last video. But basically, it's these clips right here. Hold on. Where did I show it? Right there. This thing right here. You just gotta, I think it's this on the side. I don't even think y'all can see it. It's like a thing in here where you just gotta push it inside so the whole thing can actually let go, and then you can just pull it out. It's pretty easy. But we're gonna connect this one. For this one is the same thing. You just gotta press on this and it'll pop out. We're gonna connect the thing where the light goes into here. Twist it to the right. Cause you know righty tighty, lefty loosey. If I can do it. There we go. Then it should perfectly fit in there, I believe. Dang. I put it wrong. Crap. Damn, I cannot put it on. There we go. And then we twist. It should go in. Should be on now. Now we do this. Put it perfectly. Snap it in there. Make sure it doesn't come off. There we go. This one, I believe it did clip in. Yeah, so like I said, you just gotta push that clip right there. Push it in. Come off easily. Same thing with this one. Whoops. Grab the light. Put it in. Then to the right. There's also an arrow here. There's an arrow where it shows what side you turn it to, where that it tightens up. Just go in like this. This is a little harder than the other one. Dang, I started getting a cramp on my hand. And just twist. If I can do it. This is so hard. It's supposed to be this way. Unless I go like this. Then it's the opposite side. I think it's the opposite side. Yeah, it was the opposite side. It's literally righty-tighty. Never mind. I was going the opposite. That's funny. Alright, there we go. This one's always a little loose. I don't know why. Probably the brackets or something. We got that done. Hola. Yeah, there we go. Makes a big difference. Instead of these orange ones. So well, there's that. Now we finished doing the side markers. Then right now we're just gonna do the chrome delete. Not going to lie, we might get started with the bumper first, and then move to the chrome delete for the windows. So we might do that instead. Might have to wipe it off though. So I'm gonna get a rag. Clean this. Alright. I'll wipe both sides off just so that it's clean. And then I'm not sure if I'm gonna need the heat gun for this one, but I'll just have it on hand just for in case. I'll lower it down a bit. I'm gonna go from the side just so they can kind of see what I'm doing. Maybe y'all can. Should probably move all my car parts here. Yeah, I'm gonna move these so that it's not in the way. All right. So they come out pre-cut, just so right here, just so that you don't struggle cutting them and all. I gotta see which one's which though. I believe this one's the window. These are for the window. Yeah, so it's these right here. This right here. So I'm not too sure how it's gonna go. Like that, I'm guessing. Let me see. And it should go on perfectly. Gotta be really careful. It does make a little more sense. This corner piece is pissing me off. Well, we're getting somewhere. It's taking a bit too long, only for the fact that taking my time on it. I'm not trying to rush this. But that side's done. It's freaking horrible though. We did what we could. Now we're doing what we can with this one. Let's see if I can just like start with the bottom first, and then I can do the top. Well, that one came out a bit better, I think. Crap, I'm stepping on my freaking rain guards. But I think it came out a bit better. Yeah, from far you can still see how crappy of a job it is. But I mean, it's black. That's what I wanted it to look like. But I might get it professionally done whenever I have the money, because I don't know how much it is. But I mean, whatever works, right? And right now I'm gonna do this chrome delete right here, so I can put the rain guards on. Hopefully this one's a bit easier, since it doesn't really curve that much. guess that's a bit easier. We're here struggling. Trying to do it with the freaking door closed. Not gonna lie, this crap came out better than the freaking bumper ones. The bumper ones, you can really see where I messed up. And there's this bike here in my neighborhood. I don't see it. I don't see it. Yeah, and that one has a lot of freaking little bubbles. From far, you can still see how bad it is. Like, it's horrible. I'll get it professionally done when I can. But I mean, it's done right here. This one came out pretty good. I'm actually happy about it. Yep. The way the rain guards go on top of it, so. But it's gonna look good. Gotta cut it. Now I gotta use the heat gun. Boom. Boom. Difference. I still need the back. Now we're doing this side. Boom, we done. And now, you can see that? Dang. Huh? What is it? Gas? No, sir. Yeah, tirámoslo. But yeah, we done on that side. Now we got this side. Honestly, it's pretty easy. But this side is pretty easy. Trying to align it perfectly. Let me give you a better angle while I'm doing this door. Look at it. All blacked out. I should have lowered y'all. My fault. I'll probably edit it in the video though, so y'all don't have too much light on y'all's face. But you see this? Blacked out. Only the last part right here. Now we're done. Now we work on the tail lights and the rain guards and everything else.
What's that?
The all the imperfections and everything, but I mean, it looks good. I don't think people are gonna. I think they'll see him the more I point it out, you know. Yeah, I did all the chrome delete, and yeah, I did the side markers, and yeah, that's it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all like how the car is starting to look. And next up is gonna be probably doing a video of, dang, it's dark here. Next video, I'm either doing the rain guards, or I might be doing the what's it called? The tail lights. I might do the tail lights, not gonna lie. Tail lights, and then do the rain guards and the spoiler, because that's what takes longer, since I gotta do the tape and everything. So, but yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope y'all like it. I will do my best to do more content every day. And yeah, like, subscribe, leave a comment what else y'all want to see. Thanks for watching. Peace out.